After 3 solid days on P&O Britannia Sea Days, we finally arrived in Kiel, Germany. Hi, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pi and welcome to my channel, Pi Food and Travel. If you would like to check out the Sea Days on P&O Britannia, click on the top right corner of the video to check out. Let me show you the trick and how to get to the city from the ship. Do you need a bus, do you need a shuttle, or you just walk off the ship and go straight to the city? Hello there. Welcome to the day for P&O Scandinavia and Northern Europe cruise. Okay, today we finally arrived at Kiel, Germany. It's now 9 AM. I'm gonna go up, stand to the Harrison buffet, have my breakfast, and then I'm gonna go out. This port of call, you don't really need to get shuttle so far for what I know, but I will show you guys. You can just walk off the ship and then just explore the town. Most people possibly go to Hamburg, as Kiel is rather small city. So, but I will check it out. I'll let you guys know how to get from the ship to the city or the attraction around here. Alright, see you in a bit. Welcome to Kiel, Germany. So I just got off the ship. Just walk off the ship. You don't need a shuttle bus. The city is just right. I mean, the terminal is just right in the city. I just walk off the cruise ship and go straight to town. Or maybe it's good to grab some map before you get off before you leave the terminal. I didn't do that. I just follow the Google map, and or you just follow the people. See. Apparently it's a small town, so should be easy to navigate. Okay, there. The sign everywhere. Tourist information. There you go. Just watch out for the bicycle lane. They don't stop here. I think just like in France as well. Somewhere near the beach area, they just mind their own business. So just watch out for the bicycle. Kiel is a maritime city and it has been for a long time. It remains one of Germany's main passenger ports, and as the Baltic endpoints of Kiel Canal plays an important role in shipping. Due to its geographic location in the southeast of the Jutland Peninsula on the southwestern shore of the Baltic Sea, Kiel has become one of Germany's major maritime centers, known for a variety of international sailing events, including the annual Kiel Week, which is the biggest sailing event in the world. St. Nikolai Church. St. Nikolai Church's high-pointed roof is not to be overlooked, with its elegant reddish color that lights up the landscape. The church's origin in the 13th century makes it the oldest church in Kiel. Its Gothic exterior and magnificent interior make it perhaps also the most beautiful. So after the church, I just went in, and then there's like a walking street right outside. I saw this Woolworths here, and also there's like a Chinese store here. If you're looking for Chinese store, Asian store, it's right here. It's pretty big. Asian market. Yeah, I haven't seen Woolworths for a long time. There's also TK Maxx here. If you like to do shopping, so this is quite nice. Little street to walk around. I haven't seen Woolworths for a long time. I'm stopping. Okay. Okay. I didn't see the like a fisherman museum, a fisherman thing. It's supposed to be closer to the cruise terminal. So let's check out this place first and go to the store. Let's see another Asian store here. Wow, we have a lot of Asian people here. Oh, am I supposed to turn right? Yeah, okay, I see. I see where it is. Okay. Oh, there's a statue over there. Fountain. Okay. Let's get into that building quickly. To the elevator. On the main square of Kiel is the Rathaus, or City Hall. This is an interesting historical building that was built before the First World War and is said to have survived the war undamaged. It was damaged in the Second World War and later repaired. Outside is really beautiful, and you can also tour the building. Be sure to see the clock tower. You can take the elevator up to enjoy the panoramic view. Oh, there it is, the elevation. Okay. So this is the elevator. Interesting, huh? No door. I think you just step in there. A paternoster or a paternoster lift is a passenger elevator which consists of chain of open compartment that moves slowly in a loop up and down inside the building without stopping. Passenger can step on or off at any floor they like. Okay, that was the elevator. Well, that's pretty much what I came here for to see in this building. I'm not actually quite sure what the building is. Well, check out the detail and leave the information down below. Alright, that's it. I think that pretty much is all about the area here. And what you can see, that building I went inside, check out the elevator. And I think that's pretty much it. And then I'm just gonna walk around and do some shopping and sit at a coffee shop and relax for a bit. I think most people just go to Hamburg, there's not much here. If you decide not to go to Hamburg or you have already been there and you've never been to Kiel and you want to check out this little town, there are more attractions besides the church, the city hall and shopping that I mentioned earlier. There are also the Old Botanical Garden, the City Museum, the Maritime Museum, the aquarium, and also the zoo.
It's not empty.
Yes.
So getting back on the ship is a hassle. After wandering around the city, I decided to come back to have lunch on the ship instead of have lunch in town. But to get back on the ship, it was a bit of a hassle. The queue was very long. So I'll give you guys a tip. If the forward or after of the ship have the entrance or you can get in, use those two. Don't use the midship because P&O Britannia midship does not have the staircase. So everybody have to wait for the elevator to get up to have lunch. Today was actually very nice. After the sightseeing outside, check out the town, I got back to the ship about 1 o'clock, have lunch at the peninsula. Then went to the top deck at the, what you call it again? The close net. Yeah, it was nice and quiet because everybody was outside the ship. Came back to the room, took a nap. Now I'm ready to go for dinner. So two choices. Well, the last time I was at the peninsula, I think tonight better go to the Meridian. Then tomorrow I have reservation for the Indian restaurant, I think. Yeah, this must be tomorrow. Tomorrow's a sea day. Okay, so I'm gonna go up and have dinner, but I'm gonna stop at the bar first and make the queuing on my phone, and then when it's my turn, I'll go have my dinner and let's see what's happening around the ship. Okay, could I have a bottle of that one, please? One via rosé. The one with yeah, with that one. Yes. Hi, I'm back at the Meridian. Today is Babsula Masala Chicken Snow, blah 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 blah. Okay. To the chef recommendation, calamari, steak and kidney. I'm not sure about that. Bread and butter pudding, and then the wine. And if you like extra, go for lobster. Oh, okay. I don't know. I'll pick something from here, and I will order a bottle of wine to take with after. So got my chicken termin, looking good. So got my chicken termin starter with delicious. Right. There's some milk sauce. I beg your pardon? Milk sauce? Milk sauce? Oh yes, please. Thank you. Oh wow, that's like real mint sauce, because back in US they give you like a jello with mint flavor. That's nice. Cheers. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Should have listened to him and had a honey panna cotta. That was good for that. So this is like a silent disco stuff going on. Cool. Alright folks, and that brings us to the end of this video, which is the part 3 of this journey. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching as usual. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do it. And also give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much, really appreciate it. On the next episode, if you are an ABBA fan, do not miss this part 4 of the journey where I take you to Stockholm, Sweden. Make sure you check out my video before you get on this trip or get off the ship so you know what to do, where to go, how to get from the ship to the city. See you in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.